finger, you almost... Oh! You're higher! Hey everyone, welcome to the Gordon Country. We've come out a little bit early. Actually, I've come out an extra day, and I've come out with a good mate, Darren. So the main reason we came out early was to get some filming for you guys, but more importantly, just needed a break. I've been doing some pretty crazy hours, so it's been really nice just to get away. Unfortunately, without Lisa and the girls, which is a bit sad, but sometimes you got to do these things. We've turned up to Gordon Country, and unfortunately, even though it wasn't advertised on their website, the trails actually are closed. So there has been rain, and there's been a lot of rain the last couple of days. So we've only been able to go out and have a play in the playpen today, which you can probably see Sarge in the background. Sarge is pretty filthy, but yeah, basically it was pretty muddy just off the playpen, and that was a bit of fun. So we've actually just got another Jeep member turning up now. So we'll go and say g'day, and we're looking forward to a really nice night. It was supposed to be storms, but the storms at this stage seem to have passed us by, which is fantastic. So we'll see you soon. Who's your friend, Darren?
I've got a mate. I'm not going to move. He's gripping me. Holy dooly.
Bit cheeky though, isn't it?
Oh my God. Dude.
Hello, buddy.
Don't you go to the toilet? Hey, this is what I get.
Yeah, too bad if you wanted any. Just give him a pat.
Yeah. So he goes, I don't want that shit.
Yeah, I want the big bit.
The whole biscuit. You want a scratch?
I'd go to back, yeah. He's pretty tame.
Oh, yeah.
Just watch your finger, you almost... Oh!
I took the whole thing. Come back.
Well, fingers crossed the trails are open tomorrow.
Yeah.
As much as the playpen was fun.
You don't want to do that all day.
No. And I've only ever done the A trails here. I've never done the B lots, the B trails on the other side of the road. So I'm keen to see them. You getting smoked?
Yeah, it just changed.
Yeah, he's smashing you. They say smoke follows beauty, mate.
Yeah.
With the suspected storms passing us by last night, we woke up and had a relaxing morning while we waited for the rest of the crew to turn up. Once everyone was set up, we all gathered for a quick briefing before hitting the trails, and the great news was they were open. We decided to start off in the playpen. This allowed everyone to get their eye in before a day of wheeling. So this is one of the first offshoots that you can take on the A trail. There's only really 2 steep climbs that you can do and 1 steep descent. This is one of the steeper climbs that you can take, one of the 2 options. They call it extreme, it's not extreme. As you can see, it's quite steep. What's it saying? It's about a 18 to 20 degree climb, but it's not too bad. It's quite loose, but most modern cars will go up it quite easily. Sarge is doing it extremely easy. We're just in low range second, and it's just walking up, not even trying. But if you're in an unlocked car, well, actually we're not locked anyway. But if you're in an older model 4-wheel drive, it'll be spicy. It'll definitely have you having to really concentrate on the lines. I'm being a little bit lazy here because I'm busy talking to you guys, and I'm kind of just kind of walking up, and I'm not really even paying a lot of attention, to be fair. It's a pretty defined line. So if you've got an older car, it will definitely be a bit more spicy, and you have to pick your lines a little bit better. But I've just done this unlocked and just in 4 low second. It was really, really easy. And you come out and you have a spectacular view out to the side. The steepest angle I saw was about 22 degrees, so it's not too bad. So a bit of fun, a bit more enjoyable than just the standard fire trail.
Dave knows you well.
So this is the top end of the loop that takes you to the dam. So basically this is going across the ridge. So there is a lower point that you can take, which just takes you down to, it's pretty much just a fire road along. Still very pretty, but this is a much nicer drive. It takes you along the ridge, and you get spectacular views across the national park. And then from here we're going to head down and we're going to do the steep descent, which I think it's called Gordo's Descent or something like that. Basically it has only just recently opened. Unfortunately it did get closed due to a fatality, so they've only just recently reopened it, and I believe it's been fairly heavily graded and modified, so I don't think it's going to be anywhere near as difficult as it used to be, and I think it's signed still as extreme. So this park is definitely on the conservative side with its grading. And talking to them earlier, basically if there's one feature on there that is hard, basically it's rated hard. So the rest of the trail can be very, very simple, and there's only one feature that's hard. So therefore, so they don't have people that go along, get stuck, and they can't do that thing. They just figure whatever the hardest thing is, that's what the gradient is. So it makes it quite simple to follow. So definitely on the conservative side compared to most parks, but that's not a bad thing. So this is the Homestead Trail. This is another A trail. It's a really nice combination of tight, twisty trails with some more open climbs. You're constantly up and down. It's really lovely. The bird life is incredible. Seeing lots of goannas, etc. And there's only one real steep climb, which I'll do on the way through, and I'll capture that for you. But it's, once again, it's still not. It looks more intimidating than it actually is. It's caught on the rut. It's leveling out now about 20%, so that's pretty easy. So that's pretty much the steepest climb on this loop. So all I did is I just went low range.
Everything all good back there, mate?
Yep, we're all clear. So this is the end of the Homestead run. It's actually a really nice little loop. It is not very difficult. There's nothing majorly challenging, and if you don't want to take that steep climb, it could be done in like in a soft rotor. You don't need anything hard, but it's absolutely stunning. It really is. It's absolutely gorgeous through here.
Anyway, come down from the tunnel. Get out.
Blow the smoke away because it's on the floor. One piece marine carpet that I cut out. I'm just gonna do this
Now
once.
that is
Yeah.
perfect.
Perfect, yeah. Still the dot.
I'm gonna laugh if you're recording this, man, and we hear you talking about
Come on, go see you eat one.
You're talking about
you divvying up.
Oh, let's see one do it. Nice.
You've got to do that when you're around the fireplace, haven't you? It's like a barbecue, isn't it?
That's right.
That range all the way around there, and then they're going to hold
going down, but
Oh, okay.
when I came down here, I think technology jolted them down.
Get a belly. Yeah.
That means you're leaving tomorrow morning.
That's pretty cool. After finishing the B trails, we decided to head off to Main Range National Park and check out Sylvester's Lookout. This is located less than a 10-minute drive away from Gordon Country campsites.
And what's that?
A lyrebird. Damn it, look at this lens is not good enough.
Doing higher! Higher, Matt, higher. I love camping.